So welcome back people. In this video we are covering up the advanced topics. So like one thing I need to say is that if you come across my videos and if you see that I'm teaching AWK and grep command again and again, don't think that the topic is different, I'm teaching this different, because in the bash script like if you if you learn AWK command and grep command, totally good. So if you're good in that, then you can actually tackle anything. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So today I'm going to teach about advanced topics. So the first thing I'm telling you is that, okay, now let's say you need to create a file. Then we need to specify what you need to capture the current date, and like you need to specify a file name. What do you do? So file name is equal to, in the double quotes, in file and then underquote and dollars. So here you need to specify a date, and you need to specify a percentage and capital Y for year, and small y, small m for a month, and then you need to specify what percentage t, that will be for day, and then you need to close it by txt. So this will basically keep the exact date and time to the file.txt, something like that. Now if I print file name, so you can see the file name is 2309 and 19th, so the exact date. Okay, so this is how it might look easy, but it is quite complicated, because if you see here, you can't use small y in the place of year, so you need to use the capital Y, because if you use the small y, then it will not read. Okay, so the output will be error. Okay, so the next thing is using pipes or pipelines. Okay, so there is a file in my system that will be script.sh. If I do cat and script.sh, the something will come out. So you can use pipe and wc and -l, so that you can count the number of lines. Okay, so there is some text in my script.sh. Okay, there is some text. So using awk command and capital F, and then I'll find space where there is comma, or else there is no comma. If there is no comma, okay, so F is basically called field separator. Then I need to specify a field separator. Okay, the something like slash, because if you see in the first line, there is a bin and bash is separated by slash. Okay, so I specified a field separator, and then now I need to print the second column, or else I just need to print it. Okay, now I need to specify a file name, that will be script. So you can see that nothing will change, but if there is a column, you can use like this. Okay, so let me create one file. Let me create one file called file2.txt. Now what I do, I'll separate it, the and okay, which is separated by this one, and the okay, the and. So you can see that if you cat file 34 something 4, okay, if I do ls, you can see file2.sh. okay, file2.sh, you can see that there is some text, but it is separated by colons. So you can use awk and capital S for field separator. Then you need to see double quotes is a field separator. Then you need to so it should be a single quote, not double quote. You need to print the second column. So I'm specifying $, and then 2. That will basically print the second column. And then I need to specify a file name, that will be file2.txt. So this will basically print the second column. You can see and is in the first line and die is in the second line. You can see this. So this is how you can use awk command, but you don't think that why I am teaching this in this particular bash scripting, because this is basically the most important. So awk command is the most powerful command that you can use for automation in the bash scripting. Okay, let's say let's go back and let's do cat and file 2.txt. Let's say I need to change all the to something else, so that you can use set command. Then you can specify yes slash old thing is the, and I need to what do the. Okay, let's do that the, and then I need to do for everything that will be I am using global, and then I'm specify file name file2.txt. so this will basically change everything. Okay, so now I just changed it. If I need to permanently edit it, I need to use hyphen I, and then if I do cat and file2.txt, you can see the file is permanently edited. Okay, so let's create one more file called nano email.txt. Okay, so let's say Pritham Dev at gmail.com and Pritham Dev 123 at gmail.com and dog and what person name at gmail.com and let's say a car. Okay, so there is one line which is gmail, and there is two lines which is email, second line which is gmail, and the third line is a string called dog, and the last line with the string called car, and the last second line will be some gmail name. Okay, so now I need to extract only the gmail. Okay, I need to extract only the gmail, so I use grep -e, then I specify -o output as, in the brackets I need to specify that is A to Z in the capital and A to Z in the small. Then I need to specify what I need to specify it is in the 0, it can be in the 0 to 9, and dot slash what underscore, sorry, it's dot and underscore and percentage, and then plus minus, that will be for anything. And in the last you need to specify, and sorry, in the last, not in the last, you need to specify it should contain at in the middle. So in the beginning it can start with anything like alphabet, capital letter or uppercase or lowercase or numbers, but it should have at in the middle. And then you need to specify the same thing, that will be capital A to Z and small a to Z and 0 to 9, and then you need to specify dot and minus, and then you need to say plus slash, so not this slash, backslash and a dot, and you need to specify capital letter A to Z, and then small letter A to Z. Okay, after that you need to specify 2,4, that will be 2 to 4 something, and email. So this will basically print all the Gmails which is present inside the particular email.txt. Okay, so like this will be the examples of what advanced topics, and there is many things that you can use with this awk command. If you are familiar with the awk command, then you will be pro at using Linux automation or bash scripting, something like that, because majority of the bash scripting people use awk command to operate their system, because that is the powerful awk command is the powerful. Okay, so that is all up guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.